A reasonable life can be achieved by anyone. An okay life, an okay job, okay relationship. Anyone can have this. If you want a great life, you must commit to leading a great life. To doing things the majority do not do. Commit to thinking like minority, not like majority. Here are 7 principles to live by for abundant, happy, successful life. Number 1. The first principle to live by: one day you will be gone. It may be in 50 years, it may be in 50 weeks, it may be next week, or even today. I don't know. You don't know. Nobody knows. And rather than live fear of this, we should embrace the fact this life is short. Short and unpredictable. Knowing this, we must live fully today. It's not a recipe for reckless, rather a recipe to give your all today, to give best today. In everything you do, to give your greatest energy to this day, to your family, to everyone you encounter today. It is a reminder for you to live the best self in each moment. What if they couldn't speak to you tomorrow? What if you're gone tomorrow? What will they speak of you? What can you do today? We live a lasting positive memory in the life of everyone you come into contact with. It is about being light-hearted, knowing that in the end, none of this stuff matters. The only thing that matters is how you made others feel and how you felt in your own heart. It is about the knowing that things can never go with you in the end. The spirit life on, but the things, they die with your physical body. Remembering that we are going to die is the greatest reminder we can have in our daily life, because it keeps us focused on what really important and what is real. Number 2, there is nothing you can do. There is nothing you cannot be, do, or have. There has to be someone. Even one person on this planet has done it before. That means you can too. It doesn't mean it will be easy, but it does mean it's possible. As long as possible, you can work toward it. You can make a plan, learn what needs to be done for your life. If you live craziest, most abundant life. A life whose most would consider it possible, but you know impossible broken down state are impossible. You know, impossible broken down is simply the process making plan and willing to work for the plan. Principle number 3: nothing is worth it if it doesn't make you happy. If it doesn't, A, make you happy, or B, make you better, don't make time for it. Now, before any of you jump on this, let me clarify. Nothing is worth it if it doesn't make you happy. That means if it doesn't make you happy now, why you doing it, or is it going to make you happy as a result of doing it, it most likely is not worth it. Just about everything worth fighting for is going to require a little fight to win a great prize. You have to suffer and sacrifice for almost anything worthwhile in life. But you should ask yourself this question about everything you do in your life. Does this make happy? Does this make me happy? If the answer is no, ask yourself, will this get sacrifice and making lead to more happiness in long term? If not, you should let it go. Okay, number 4. Be yourself. Always. No exceptions. It's such a tragedy to see many people on this planet living life they don't want to live, just because they listen to other people who did the same. The only way you can be happy in this life, the only way you can be successful, is if you be you. Let me repeat that, because perhaps it is the most important thing you could ever apply to your life. The only way you can be happy in this life, the only way you can be successful, is if you be you. You will never be truly happy in life if you are constantly doing things to please others, to compete with others, or to be like others. You are unique, and that is your greatest gift. When you follow your own path, regardless if that fits in with your other, you open a space for great thing enter your life. Compare yourself to no one. Compare with not other. Make your own decision, and it will lead you to greatest life. Principle number 5. Everything you need is already within you. In this world, We see endless examples of people who seemingly have it all, materially speaking, but they are empty inside. They will never complete you. Other people will never complete you. Regardless of what Jerry Maguire say, there is saying, needing nothing extract everything. When you come from a place of needing nothing, of seeking nothing outside yourself to make you happy, you open up space for amazing things to enter your life. And if things don't come, that's fine. You don't need them. Real happiness is never found outside of us. It is not found in position of wealth. Happiness is always only found within us. It is state of mind. Never forget this. Happiness is a high level of success. Do what feels good, the rest will follow. Principle number 6. There's no room for toxic people, but there is never ending space for positive energy and positive people. Surrounding yourself with energy killer is one of the worst things you can do if you want to live happily, fulfilled and successful life. Unfortunately, not everyone, including friends and family, will share the same positive energy you have. Some will take a while, some might never get there. Let them run their own race while you focus on living your own happiness. That's what a true religion with you will never hold you back from living the life you want to live. Don't ever dim your light to feed with other lights. Shine bright. Those who see you spark will shine with you. Remember, you can live a great life, a happy life, if you're surrounded with toxic people. Principle number 7. Whatever you focus on, you will find. If you search of negativity in this world, you will find plenty of it. If you search hate, anger, violence, and sadness, you will find it. But the same is true on the flip side. If you only attention to search for good, you will find only the good. Whatever meaning you give your life, become your life. It can be a failure or a lesson, heartbreak or character building. Life is getting you or making you stronger, because there's such thing as reality. We choose our own reality by meaning we give each moment in our life. Make it your intention to look good in your life, to notice the good in others, to be grateful for what you do have, to see challenge as opportunity to show your true character. Remember, what you give, your attention will become your experience in life. Practice seeing the good in your life and in others. Think the best, expect the best, and always ask yourself, how can they benefit my life? Live who you were, love who you were, and look forward to who you will become.